In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in or zoom out a video on Clipchamp. If you've ever wanted to focus in on a particular detail or create an impactful scene, learning how to manipulate the zoom function in your video edits can be quite powerful. So, let's get started and guide you through these steps in a simple and clear manner. Firstly, open Clipchamp and navigate to your project. Once you're on your project dashboard, you'll see the very foundation of all your editing work laid out before you. Your video clips, images, and timelines will be waiting. If you haven't already uploaded the video you'd like to work on, now would be the time to do so. Ensure that the upload has completed before proceeding to edit. Next, drag your video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is essentially your video storyboard and editing playground. Seeing your clip there will ground your work and help you visualize the changes you're about to make. Once your video is on the timeline, click on it to select it. When you select your video, a plethora of editing options will appear on the right-hand side or above the timeline, depending on your interface. This is where you'll find the transformative power to zoom in or zoom out. To zoom in, look for the crop icon, which often resembles a pair of scissors or framing brackets. Clicking on this icon enables you to select a portion of your video that you want to magnify. Adjust the corners of the crop box to frame the detailed section you'd like to enlarge. Notice how the rest of the frame adapts, focusing the viewer's attention firmly on your chosen spot. Similarly, if you wish to enhance the impact of zooming out, you simply adjust the frame to cover a broader perspective, creating a more expansive view. After setting your desired zoom level, allow Clipchamp to preview the changes and confirm that the zoom effect is aligned with your creative vision. It's significant to take a moment here and observe the composition and balance of your shot. Once you're satisfied with your zoom adjustments, click Done to apply the changes. The edits just made are now part of your video's narrative. You might want to play through the segment a few times, ensuring your scenes transition smoothly and the focus remains where you intend it. Finally, don't forget to save your project and export your finished video. These last steps secure your work and make sure you have a polished video to share with your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to zoom in or out on your videos using Clipchamp. With these skills in your editing toolkit, you can add a professional touch to all your future video projects. Happy editing!